Namaskara, welcome to Shloka Chant with Ishu. Today we will be learning Mahamrityunjaya Stotram. It's not a Mahamrityunjaya mantra, not the Triambakam Yajamahe. This is the complete Stotram which is composed by Markandeya, and this is taken from Markandeya Purana. Before starting, I request you to check with the pronunciation guide which is available here. So the lyrics that you will find here, the script is completely different than what you find in the internet basically. Wherever you see the bold letters, make sure you will stress those letters. Wherever you see the line on the top of the letter, make sure you will extend those letters. And there are few capital letters. First, I'll come to the N and L, which is a pronunciation of a N and a L. So where the N and L is a very simple, your tongue tip will touch your teeth like a Narayana, N, Nara, N, and La, Laya. The same thing, L pronunciation. There is a L and a N where your tongue tip will touch upper palate. Vishnu, N, L, Kala, La, Kala, L. And there is one more letter that is a Sh, Sha. Again, we have a two kind of a different pronunciation. Sh, Shiva, Vishnu, Sh. So these are the pronunciation. Please look in the pronunciation guide. You will find it much better to know with the pronunciation guide. So let's start with the Mahamrityunjaya Stotram. So Mahamrityunjaya Stotram is a stotram which has around some 20 plus stanza. And again in the Mahamrityunjaya Stotram, we will be excluding the first two parts. So which is a Dhyanam and we call as a Nyasa. Nyasa is the one which helps us to understand who is the composer of this and which is the meter, grammatical meter they have used to compose this stotram. We'll be excluding these two and we'll come to only the stotram section. Fine. So let's start with the Mahamrityunjaya Stotram. You can find the lyrics on the side of the video, which will be very helpful and beneficial. So in Mahamrityunjaya Stotram, the second line remains same. So we won't be repeating the second line. And it's very simple one. So we can make it. We can try to recite 5 stanza in a one go. Fine. So we'll learn this Mahamrityunjaya Stotram. So let's start with the first one. In the first one, I will teach you the second line and from next onwards, we will skip the second line recitation. First stanza, first line. Rudram, Pashupatim, Stanum, Tha stress, no N capital letter. Neelakantam, Kantha, Tha stress, Umapatim. So together, put it together, Neelakantam, Mumapatim. Second line, which remains same in every stanza till 19. Namami Shirasa Devam Kim No Mrityuhu Karishyati Sh, the bigger one, capital S. So second line remains same. We'll recite Rudram Pashupatim Stanum Neelakantam Umapatim Namami Shirasa Devam Kim No Mrityuhu Karishyati. Second stanza, we'll learn only the one line from now onwards. Neelakantam Kalamurtim Kalagnyam, Gnya. Like you will get a meow sound when you say meow, Gnya. Kalagnyam Kalanashanam. Neelakantam Kalamurtim Kalagnyam Kalanashanam. Second line is same. Namami Shirasa Devam Kim No Mrityuhu Karishyati. Third stanza, first line. Neelakantam Virupaksham Sh, yes capital, Nirmalam Nilayapradam. Neelakantam Virupaksham Nirmalam Nilayapradam. Second line same. Namami Shirasa Devam Kim No Mrityuhu Karishyati. Fourth stanza. Vamadevam Mahadevam Lokanatham Thastras Jagadgurum. Jagat plus Guru, Jagadgurum. Vamadevam Mahadevam Lokanatham Jagadgurum. Namami Shirasa Devam Kim No Mrityuhu Karishyati. Fifth stanza. Devadevam Jagannatham Thastras Devesham Vrishabhadvajam. Vrisha, yes capital, Bha stress, Dva stress, Vrishabhadvajam. Devadevam Jagannatham Devesham वृषभध्वजं नमामि शिरसा देवं कृम्नो मृत्युः करिष्यति. Sixth stanza. Gangadharam dhastras Mahadevam Sarvabharana. Sarva plus Abharana. Abharana is ornament. Sarvabharana Bhastras N capital. Bhushitam. Bhu stress She S capital. Sarvabharana Bhushitam. Second line same. Gangadharam Mahadevam Sarvabharana Bhushitam. Seventh stanza, first line. Triaksham. Triya. Like Trimbakam. Triaksham. Trya. Triaksham. Chaturbhujam. Bhustress. Shantam. Jata Makuta Darinam. Dhastress N N capital. Triaksham. Chaturbhujam. Shantam. Jata Makuta Darinam. Eighth stanza, first line. Basmod Dhulita. Dhu stress. Basmod. So after D, please put H. Basmod. MODH. There should be H. Basmod Dhulita Sarvangam. Basmod Dhulita Sarvangam. One single word. Nagabharana. Naga plus Abharana. Nagabharana. Bhushitam. Again Bhushitam. Bhu stress. She S capital. Anantamavyayam. Mavyayam. Shantam. Akshamaladharam haram. Anantamavyayam. Shantam. Akshamaladharam haram. Anandam. Paramam. Nityam. Kaivalya Padadayinam. Anandam Paramam Nityam Kaivalya Padadayinam. Ardha Dhastras Ardhanarishwaram Devam Parvati Prananayakam. Prana N capital. Prananayakam. Ardhanarishwaram Devam Parvati Prananayakam. Pralaya. Here Pralaya, L can be capital, L can be simple, whichever is fine. Pralaya, Sthiti, Thi stress. Kartara. Pralaya, Sthiti, Kartaram. Madi Kartaram. Mishwaram. So it's one single word. So when I split, what happens? Let me say you. Pralaya, Sthiti, Kartaram. Adi Kartaram. Ishwaram. So wherever you have a split, combine. So, Sthiti Kartaram, Adi Kartaram. So, let me combine. Instead of Adi Kartara, it will become Madi Kartara. Instead of Ishwara, it will become Mishwara when you combine. Okay, now let's try. Pralaya Sthiti Kartaram, Madi Kartaram, Mishwaram. That's it. Vyomakesham, Vyomakesham. Virupaksha, same pronunciation, yes capital. Chandradha, Dhastras. In Chandradha, extra D is there, please remove that. Chandradha, Dhastras. Kritashekharam, Khastras. Chandradha, Kritashekharam. Gangadharam, Dhastras. Shashidharam, Dhastras. Shankaram. Shulapaninam, Pani, Ni, tongue tip will touch upper palate. Anathaha, Thirstress. Paramanantam, Kaivalya Padagamini. Next line remains same. Swarga Pavarga Dataram. Srishti, Sh, S capital, Srishti. Stityanta, T stress, Stityanta. Karanam, N capital. Srishti Stityanta Karanam. Kalpayur, Dehi. In Kalpayur, Dehi, D repeated twice, remove one D. Kalpayur, Dehi, Me, Punyam. Punya, N capital. Yavadayura, Rogatam. Together, Yavadayura Rogatam. Kalpayur, Dehi, Me, Punyam, Yavadayura Rogatam. Shiveshanam. Mahadevam, Vamadevam, Sadashivam. Very simple. Utpatti. Sthiti. T stress. Utpatti, Sthiti, Samhara. Utpatti, Sthiti, Samhara. Kartaram, Ishwaram. So when you say Kartaram, Ishwaram, put it together. Instead of a Ishwaram, you would say Mishwaram. Just like a previous one we did. Utpatti, Sthiti, Samhara, Kartaram, Ishwaram, Gurum. Wonderful. Markandeya Kritam. It's a Palashruti. It's a benefit. What is the benefit of reciting this stotra? So usually we never have to look into the benefits. You should not recite anything looking for benefits. Do it with the utmost devotion. That is what even I believe in, and I would love to share the same information with you all. So let's start with the 19th one. Markandeya Kritam. This is report composed by Markandeya. Stotram. Yaha. Pathet. Pathet. Te stress. Patan means to recite. Pathet Chiva. Pathet Chiva. Pathet Chiva. CH repeated twice. CH is also bold. So give a stress. Patet Chiva when you split. When I am taking together, Patet Chiva Sannidau. Dau dha stress. Tasya Mrityu Bayam Bha stress. Nasti Nagni Chaura Bhayam Kvachit. Markandeya Kritam Stotram Yaha Patecchiva Sannidau. Tasya Mrityu Bhayam Nasti Nagni Chaura Bhayam Kvachit. Shatavartam Prakartavyam. Prakartavyam. Shatavartam Prakartavyam. Sankate Kashtanashanam. Kashta, yes, capital. Kashtanashanam. Shuchir Bhutva. Shuchir Bhutva. Bhut stress. Patet. Te stress. Stotram. Shuchir Bhutva. Patet. Stotram. Sarva Siddhi Pradayakam. Sarva Siddhi Pradayakam. Mrityunjaya Mahadeva Trahi Mam Sharanagatam. Mrityunjaya Mahadeva Trahimam Sharanagatam. Janma Mrityu Jara Rogayah Pīditam Karma Bandhanayah. Janma Mrityu Jara Rogayah Pīditam Karma Bandhanayah. Tavakastvad-gatah. Little confusing. We'll take it slowly. Tavakastvad. Tavakas. Tvad. Give a pause. Use a pencil. Put a line if you are writing it. Tavakas. Tvad-gatah. Tavakastvad-gatah. Pranastva. Pranastva. Chittoham. Sada mrida. Tavakas Tvad-gatah Pranastva Chittoham Sada mrida. Tavakastvad-gatah Pranastva Chittoham Sada mrida. Iti Vignapya Devesham Trimbakakyamanum. 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 Kya stress. Japet. Little challenging. We'll try once again. Tavakastvad-gatah Pranastva Chittoham Sada mrida. Iti Vignapya Devesham Trimbakakyamanum Japet. Last one. Namaha Shivaya Sambaya Haraye Paramatmane. Pranata, N capital. Klesha Nashaya. Pranata Klesha Nashaya. Yoginam Pataye Namaha. At the end, you would say there are two versions. The simple version is Iti Mahamrityunjaya Stotram Sampurnam. So here we complete the Mahamrityunjaya Stotra. The longer version is Iti Markandeya Purane. So which is from Markandeya Purana. Composed by Markandeya Krita. Mahamrityunjaya Stotram Sampurnam. So choose the one whichever you remember. So now let's take it from the beginning. I'll try to take it with the tune little slowly. Okay. Om Rudram Pashupatim Sthanum Neelakantam Umapatim Namami Shirasadevam Kim no Mrityuh Karishyati Neelakantam Kalamurtim Kalajnam Kalanashanam Namami Shirasadevam किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति नीलकण्ठं विरूपाक्षं निर्मलं निलयप्रदं नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति वामदेवं महादेवं लोकनाथं जगद्गुरुं नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति देवदेवं जगन्नाथं देवेशं वृषभध्वजं नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति गङ्गाधरं महादेवं सर्वाभरणभूषितं नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति त्यक्षं चतुर्भुजं शान्तं जटामकुटधारिणं नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति भस्माद्दूलितसर्वाङ्गं नागाभरणभूषितं नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति अनन्तमव्ययं शान्तम् अक्षमालाधरं हरं नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति आनन्दं परमं नित्यं कैवल्यपददायिनं नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति अर्धनारीश्वरं देवं पार्वतीप्राणनायकं नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति प्रलयस्थितिकर्तारं मादिकर्तारमीश्वरं नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति व्योमकेशं विरूपाक्षं चन्द्रार्धकृतशेखरं नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति गङ्गाधरं शशिधरं शङ्करं शूलपाणिनं नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति अनाथः परमानन्तं कैवल्यपदगामिनी नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति स्वर्गापवर्गदातारं सृष्टिस्थित्यन्तकारणं नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति कल्पायुर्देहि मे पुण्यं यावदायुररोगतां नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति शिवेशानां महादेवं वामदेवं सदाशिवं नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति उत्पत्तिस्थितिसंहार कर्तारम् ईश्वरं गुरुं नमामीश्वरसादेवं किं नो मृत्युः करिष्यति मार्काण्डेयकृतं स्तोत्रं यः पठेच्छिव सन्निधौ तस्य मृत्युभयं नास्ति नाग्निचौरभयं क्वचित् शतावर्तं प्रकर्तव्यं सङ्कटे कष्टनाशनं शुचिर्भूत्वा पठेत् स्तोत्रं सर्वसिद्धिप्रदायकं मृत्युञ्जय महादेव त्राहि मां शरणागतं जन्म मृत्युजरारोगैः पीडितं कर्मबन्धनैः तावकस्त्वद्गतः प्राणस्त्वचित्तोऽहं सदा मृड इति विज्ञाप्य देवेशं त्र्यम्बकाख्यमनुं जपेत् नमः शिवाय साम्बाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय योगिनां पतये नमः इति श्रीमार्काण्डेयपुराणे मार्काण्डेयकृत महामृत्युञ्जयस्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम् ॐ नमः शिवाय. I know it was little faster. In the settings, you have a playback speed. Please go and reduce the playback speed when you recite, which will be comfortable for you. If you want to increase the speed, go and increase the speed, and you can chant in the faster version as well. This was about the Mahamrityunjaya Stotra. If you have any doubts, any questions, please do let me know in the comment section. If you have found any mistakes that was unintentional mistakes, and my sincere apologies for those one, please do let me know so that I can correct in my next videos. Thank you so much. See you in the one more stotram very soon. Namaskara.